Hello, my name is Faisal Khan. I'm a banking and a payment consultant. A question I got recently in the email is, we wrote to our bank, we asked them, we showed them the flow of funds, etc. And the bank said, you need to have a money transmitter license, etc., blah, blah, blah. And they also asked for a legal opinion. Shouldn't the bank already know what is legal and what is not legal based on the flow of funds? Very interesting question. And the simple answer to that is the bank will always try to cover its ass. The bank will never give you a legal opinion. By providing you a legal opinion on your flow of funds, the bank is undeniably mating itself with your project. It is absolutely integrating itself with your project, and should you do something wrong, you will then lay it on the bank and say, hey, the bank told me this was legal. The bank doesn't want to do this. Doesn't want to get into that game. The bank will just assess the flow of funds, the legal opinion, for its own consumption, for its own compliance purposes, for its own due diligence, but they will never, ever tell you if what you're doing is gray, illegal, not right, etc. They will ask and construct a question very delicately. Let's say you are not covered under your existing, then they'll say, where is your money transmitter license coverage? Where is that money transmitter license? And they say, well, you're supposed to know about it. So, no. Where is your money transmitter license? We are licensed to do our own stuff. Where is yours? And he said, well, we feel we don't need a money transmitter license because the bank is doing it, etc. And he says, okay, fine. If that's the case, can you go get a legal opinion? And then you'll have to go to your lawyer or someone else or a law firm that specializes in this thing, show them the situation, draw the situation out, and then ask them to provide you with a legal opinion so that you can present it to the bank. And once the bank receives that legal opinion, they'll say, you know what? We don't buy that. But they won't tell you that. They'll just say, thanks, but no thanks, but I think your project is not good enough for us. The bank will never give you a legal opinion. If you're partially gray, black and white, fully compliant, non-compliant, partially compliant, the bank will never ever give you a legal opinion. In fact, on things that are absolutely trivial even, the bank will still never give you an opinion. The reason is the day they give you an opinion is the day they've tied themselves onto you. They just do not want to do that. And the whole purpose and the goal is the bank wants to take a lot of information from you so that they can cover their ass and say, okay, based on our understanding, the legal opinion was good, everything was good, we did the due diligence, and hence we took this client on. And tomorrow, if something happens, the bank says, well, we never gave them a legal opinion. We never said this was legal. Based on the information that they supplied us, we looked at it, we made the judgment call that this is a good client to take on. If something was not legal, that's on the client. Go talk to them, go charge them. You cannot charge the bank because as a financial institution, we did everything right. If the customer was operating a car without a license, that's on the customer. You can't blame the parking garage or the car manufacturer for it. You have to get the customer. And that is exactly what the bank does. They will not give you a legal opinion. I hope I was able to answer that question. And if you have any other questions or concerns or comments, there's a contact form in the description below. Please fill it out. I'd be happy to answer. Till next time, Faisal Khan signing off.